the disorganization of your clothes or just don't have enough closet space? Then the Raybee rolling hanger clothes rack can bring you that organization that you crave. It's an adjustable and heavy-duty clothes rack with wheels on the bottom. When assembled, it can be between 45 to 69 inches wide and it's 71.9 inches tall. So all of your long dresses and clothes have plenty of room to hang without getting wrinkled. And if you need more width than this, no problem. You can extend these out for extra width. So you have more space to hang your clothes, belts, scarves, purses, hats, and accessories. On the bottom, it has 4 high-quality omnidirectional metal wheels, so you can wheel it around your bedroom, closet, living room, or wherever you're storing your belongings. And this product is made from stainless steel, so it's very durable, sturdy, and it can withstand up to 410 pounds. The Raybee Heavy Duty Clothes Rack.